In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and share your store link on Big Cartel. For those of you new to Big Cartel, this is a popular platform that enables artists and small business owners to sell their products online with ease. Sharing your store link is essential for promoting your store across various platforms, whether it's social media, email campaigns, or your personal website. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, let's start by navigating to your Big Cartel dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for managing your store, from adding products to viewing sales stats. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice some options across the top of the page. Here, you're going to click on Account. This is where you'll find all the general settings related to your store, and it's the key to accessing your store link. Once you're in the Account section, scroll down the page until you find the Shop Design segment. This area is geared towards customizing how your store looks, and under this segment, you'll find a specific option to share your shop link. It can be easy to miss if you're not familiar with the layout, so take your time to scroll carefully and locate it. After you've found the Shop Design section, click on the Share Your Shop link prompt. This is the place where you will find your unique store URL. Having access to this link is vital. It's what customers use to find and explore your online shop. By sharing this link, you're essentially extending an open invitation for people to view and purchase your products. Now, let's talk about how you can share this link effectively. Once you've clicked open your shop link, you can easily copy and paste this URL wherever you want. It's a good idea to think about the various platforms where your audience is most active. You can share this link on Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media platform you use. If you run email campaigns, don't forget to include your shop link there too. And if you have multiple places online where you'd like to keep your links organized, such as Linktree or other link management tools, this is the perfect URL to include. Remember, the more places you share, the more visitors you're likely to attract. Sharing your store link is a straightforward yet powerful way to drive traffic to your shop. By following these simple steps, you're setting your store up for greater visibility and, ultimately, more sales. I hope this guide helps you be more successful in reaching customers and growing your online business. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.